Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the process of migration from Citrix XenApp to VMware Horizon for the application migration. So this is the system requirements for the migration process. We should follow these system requirements. So for the migration process, the Citrix XenApp and VMware Horizon infrastructure, both the servers must be in the same domain. Okay, so when you are doing the migration, you should put the Citrix delivery group into the maintenance mode, then only it will avoid the user logon. Also, we need to open the 135 and 445 port number on the Citrix desktop if you are going to do Citrix Zen desktop migration into the Horizon view. Then this is a software requirement. We need to run the Horizon migration tool on the Citrix delivery controller to export the application details into the Horizon view. Also, before running the migration tool, we should make sure that whether the GRE8 or else above version installed on the controller or not, because to run the migration tool, this is a prerequisite one, JRE and JDK or JDK. Also, we should make sure that if the controller is installed on the 2008 server, we should make sure that .NET Frameworks 2.0 is available or not. Also, if the controller is 2012, we should make sure that 3.5 .NET Framework is installed or not. So this is the process for the migration. So first we need to check all the things and prerequisite details on the existing Citrix XenApp site. So and then based on that we can set up the Horizon infrastructure. So here we can use existing Citrix VDA to the Horizon infrastructure, or else you can create new machine. So you can install all the requested application and then you can install the view agent. That is our wish. If you want, you can use existing Citrix infra VDA, or else you can create new VDA, the agent. Then we can run the migration tool on the controller to get the application details. Then it will ask for the access to export the details into the Horizon. You need to enter the Horizon administrator username and password in the verify and access tab, so that all the application will be export into the Horizon. Now I will show you how to do that one. Citrix infrastructure site name is Citrix GSR. As of now, we have published 3 applications from the Citrix XenApp. So we are going to migrate these 3 applications into the Horizon. So I will show you the Horizon infrastructure. So as of now, there is no application on the Horizon. So we are going to migrate the Citrix application, these 3 applications into Horizon. Okay. So now we need to run the migration tool. So just click next, because already I have installed the prerequisite what we discussed in the previous slide. So this is the form details. Form name is Citrix GSR, and a number of apps is available on the Citrix site, 3 app. So we have added one VDA into the Citrix site. So this is the domain. We have one zone. So here we need to enter the Horizon view connection server details here. So already I entered. So this is the IP address for the connection server. So this is the username. So I'm going to provide the password so that it will communicate with the connection server. So I told you, if you want, you can use Citrix Infra VDA to the Horizon, because if we are going to use Citrix Infra VDA to the Horizon infrastructure, we need to uninstall the Citrix Virtual Desktop Agent, and then we need to install Horizon View Agent. So here I have created 2 machine already. One is, this is belongs to Citrix Infra, this is belongs to Horizon. I have registered. If you want, you can use the existing Citrix Virtual Desktop Agent server into the Horizon view, or else you can use a new one. So I have installed the view agent on an existing virtual desktop agent. So I'm going to use this server as a view agent here. So select advanced method mode here. Here you can customize the form name. If you select easy mode, the Citrix site will create as a form in the horizon view. So now we are going to use here advanced mode. So here you need to select, you are going to migrate all this application, or else you can use only paint if you want. So now I am going to select all the application to the migration process. So here we need to declare the form name. So I am mentioning Zenap to Horizon. So here you need to select which machine you are going to use as a agent. So this is our existing machine in the Citrix Infra. This is newly created for the horizon view. If you want, you can use both also, that is your wish. So we are going to use both now, because both the machines have installed the view agent. But this is newly created one. This is existing Citrix Infra VDA. We have removed the virtual desktop agent role on the server. Now we install the view agent. So click OK. If you want, you can validate the application details, whether the application are installed on these two machines or not. So we can check it that as well. Just validate RDSH. So start. Yeah, because in the both the machine this application available, that's why we are getting the green tick here. So close it, click next, again next, start migration. So once the migration process has completed, we could see in the Horizon administration view console the form details and the application details. So migration has been completed. Click exit. Now go to the Horizon view administration console. See, first check the form details. So we have created XA-HO, this is a form name, and then the application, we have migrated 3 applications from the Citrix. We'll see. So calculator and notepad and paint. The same application we could see here, calculator, notepad and paint. So also we could see the agent name here, the two agent, VHA agent and server-VDA. This is one of the agent. So this is migrated from Citrix Infra to Horizon. This is newly created for the Horizon infrastructure. So now we'll try to access this application as a user. First we need to assign this application to the users. So I'm going to give this application access to the domain users. Click OK. Okay, now so we have migrated 3 applications, calculator and notepad and paint, and then we have given access to the domain users, these 3 applications. Just try to launch the application. We'll check whether we can able to access the application or not. Yeah, we can able to access calculator. So notepad also we can able to access, then paint. Yeah, so this is the process to migrate the application from Citrix Zenap to Horizon view. Thanks for watching the video.